What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the Alaska Airlines 737-800 in the new Salmon People livery, November 559 Alpha Sierra. Super excited to have this model, or this aircraft was once the Salmon 37 aircraft, and that livery, they decided to repaint it, not get rid of it, which was nice. They've decided to upgrade and kind of update it, and going kind of beyond the fish, they've kind of made this, they've kind of painted this aircraft in dedication to, you know, all the Alaskan communities that deal with the salmon and the people who, you know, live out there and everything. Kind of, you know, this is their, like, salmon is their sort of way of life, you know, salmon catching, like fishing and whatnot. So I think it's pretty cool how they've done this, you know, kind of dedicating it to those out there, the natives and all the other people out there in Alaska that, in those remote communities where the salmon come from. So yeah, super excited to have this. I never did buy the NG version of the Salmon 37, but I do have one of the original Gemini Jets models of that plane before the splits and everything. So I decided, you know, since I had that, I figured out there's no point in getting the one with splits by NG, since they just repainted this same aircraft into this newer updated livery. So I figured I'd just get right to this one. But yeah, here's the box. A very, very nice look. Very unique, to say the least. So yeah, let's get right on into it. Very excited to have this. I love all these, you know, new colorful liveries that are coming out, specials. Yeah, sure, they might be specials, but still though, it's really nice to see. And Alaska's good at doing some good specials. But yeah, here we go. Here's the model. Wow, I'm excited for this one. Alrighty. Oh boy. All right. Wow. That looks fantastic. Very excited for this one. Wow. Alrighty. Let's take a look at what we got here. So here's the aircraft. Wow. A fantastic looking model. So colorful. So unique. And just overall impressed by just how it looks, and the detail, and how well it's printed on for a 1/4 scale model. Angie's done a fantastic job with this. As you know, as we've seen with the other Alaska, like the Star Wars one, United Star Wars one. In general, Angie's done a fantastic job with these sort of liveries. So yeah, let's get right on into it. Zooming in here. Got the cockpit area and whatnot. Very, very nice and straightforward, because this is the grade 800 mold. Got the gear door there with all the details. E-tops 559, something else there. Oh, 800, and the gear looking very nice. Got the little name right there. Oh, there we go. Salmon People, and the sort of native language variant or translation of it right there in the red. You got some you have this text that's kind of on the box. You have that right up next to the door there, which is pretty cool. I'll just kind of read off of that. I'm not gonna bother pronouncing that, but it means Salmon People in the Alaskan Tlingit language, and refers to the spiritual link between the people who interact with the beloved salmon and all of us who benefit from their stewardship of the environment. So that's pretty cool, and that's kind of why they did this livery, you know, because it's more than just about the fish. It's about the people and everything, and obviously the rituals that go behind it and whatnot. So yeah, so here's the L1 door, and moving along, you got this kind of the fish kind of with the various colors, the white, the blues, and then you got the red, and that's kind of along the body there. Engine's looking very nice. CFM 56 is right there. Got the wings very detailed, and the splits as well. kind of see on the inner split, or sorry, on the inside of the splits, there's a little fish right there, which is an incredible, incredible little detail to have in there, but very well done on NG for getting that in there. This looks fantastic. I think this split's a little bit, yeah, this one's a little bit bent out, but that's okay, no problem there. But yeah, I got the overwing exits and the markings there, which is pretty nice. Got the antennas on the top and the Wi-Fi. Got the registration 559 Alpha Sierra and the American flag right there, and then the aft door right there. Got the fish again on the tail, looking very, very nice. So there's basically like a big one kind of across the body, and then there's a smaller one on the tail, and then honestly on the inside of the little splits, which is pretty nice. But yeah, it looks very, very nice. Got the reds, the blues, the whites. Very, very nice. Great printing. Looks fantastic. I'll spin it around to this side. It's the same thing, but it just looks so good. Oh, wait a second. Huh. Well, isn't that something? There's no registration or flag on this side. I think here I am praising NG on their printing abilities, and they missed that. They missed the registration completely on that side of the plane. So we got the registration on this side, but no registration on this side. Not sure what happened there. Alaska titles, I kind of missed that on this side, but yeah, you got the Alaska, just Alaska right there in the middle. Wow, that's not a huge thing to miss, and not a major. At least it's not like there's no defects in the paint and whatnot, but just they missed the registration completely, which would be right here. Wow, and I know aircraft have to have it on both sides, so it's not like, oh, we just we were following the real plane. No, they just missed that there. I'm gonna have to reach out to them about that. That's interesting. But anyway, yeah. Moving along, same details on this side, looks very nice. And I think it's super cool how they've done it. Yeah, just interesting that there's no registration there. You got the baggage door there, and then up at the front here as well. But, would you look at that, guys? I'm praising them, and there you go, and forget the registration on one side. But there's a top-down view. It's not going to focus greatly, but there's the underneath. Nothing crazy. But yeah. Well, apart from that missing registration and flag, American flag, honestly, this is still a pretty impressive model, and I can obviously get it, live without that. That's no big deal at all. But it's just funny because I was praising them, and then they go and do that. But minor little missing detail, and not the end of the world. Obviously, this aircraft I don't think would be legal to fly, pending for the fact that it's missing registration on one side, and they're supposed to be displayed on both sides. But yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a beautiful model, and I highly recommend it if you can still pick it up. Yeah. With that being said, if you did enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care.